Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with another video in the at-home hobby series, and today we are going to do a small it's probably going to be about a 5 by 5 inch art print. So again, I'm going to use original work that I just created. I did not name this one yet, so I'm excited to see what you guys think of it. But again, as always, I am going to use Canva today. I actually created the design in the background in Procreate. I'm going to print it with my Epson 7720. I do realize that the color that I create and then that I print is sometimes off. So I normally lighten the print to actually look like what I want it to look like. I don't know if there's a setting on my Epson 7720 that I could do to make sure I get the color right. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Until then, I'll probably look at a few videos on YouTube myself. So I am going to go ahead and hit create design. I'm going to do a custom size. I'm going to do inches. And like I said, it's going to be a 5 by 5 art print. It's actually already made. So all I have to do is kind of just slide it from here to here. Open this out some. So even here, like that green background that I actually created does not look the same. So that is the art print. For right now, I'm just going to put geometric ponytail. I don't have a name for her yet. So that's what I'll name it, geometric ponytail. And then what I'll do is I'll save it and download it as a PDF for print. So I'm going to hit download here. And I wonder if I put this on an 8.5 by 11, would I save some space by being able to print two of the same print on the same page. So let me go here and let me download it as a PNG. And I want to see if I put it on the letterhead, will it be enough room to do two? So here, make sure I do this 5 by 5. So that one's there. Looks like I can fit 2 art prints on one page, which is awesome. And that gives me plenty room to cut it out. So I'll do that, and then I'll download this as a PDF print as well. So I'll download that, and then I'll take you guys to my printer where I will print the art prints out. I may laminate one, and the other I may just leave just like it is. Of course, I'm going to use cardstock, but this raises a great question. I think I do have some photo paper, so I'll have to do some trial and error to see if the photo paper will look good with just a single print here that I use to print on. So like I think it's like a 5 by 7. So I would definitely have to set that up in my printer to like the photo size, because I think the sheet that I'm going to use is like 5 by 7. So I wonder how that will look on there. But I'm excited to see. Look, it's not like it changes the image. So let's see, full page, photo size. The photo's like a 4 by 6, but it took away my thing. Let's go back. See, this is like the good part of things. So it's 8.5 by 11. What happened to my original? I want my original back. Let's try this again. So go here. Maybe I should change no, it's still showing up that way. I don't like it. Me so sad. Okay, so there's the full page. The photo size is 5 by 7, and it will cut something off. So let's see, 8 by 10. But the paper size is going to be 5 by 7. Will that make sense? Nope, it doesn't fit. This is like some hardcore things to try to figure out. because then my art print will be there. So, oh, fit to page, shrink to fit. Ooh, I got it. So this is how I'll print that out on that art print. I'll make sure I try to change my settings for my printer to print on that photo paper that I have, so you guys can see that as well. And I'm excited to take you guys to the printer to see this print out. So with the art prints, I struggled a little bit. I am doing 5x7. The best one that I like, it's on glossy paper. Again, the at-home series is stuff that I am doing with things I already had. I had tons of photo paper, as you can see. I have some here. So this is the one that I love the best. This is 5x5. I did cut the top off. The only thing I didn't like was this tiny piece right here that did not show, but the color on this is amazing. This I did on cardstock paper, and this was initially before I did the black outlining on her. She did come out a little bit darker, so you can tell the difference here on the cardstock and on the photo paper. And then I printed it one last time. The background looks really good, but again, the cut off ears and this extra white space here, I don't know. I got to figure out these settings, but then I had these two that definitely cut off a lot of the photo, but the quality was really good. And it looks just like this one, but it just had more that was cut off. So as far as everything that I've been doing, I love this one, even though it has that minor error. And then I love the cardstock art print that I'll probably just sit someplace on my desk. So this is what I had, or what came out of my drawing for art print. So I hope you guys are enjoying this at-home series, and I hope you are finding something fun and new to do. I am not actually showing myself drawing in Procreate, but maybe that is something that I would just say for a whole video, and maybe show you guys how I do stickers at home as well. So hope you guys are enjoying this series, and like I said, until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.